In this video, we are going to discuss how to fit ARIMA models using computer software. So first, run a CMD. So pip install PMD ARIMA. So wait lang natin. So yan. It was already satisfied na. So pwede natin siyang i-exit. And then go to Jupyter. So, pagkuha ng ARIMA, syempre kailangan natin ng dataset. So, meron ako ditong dataset. Ito, populations. Uy. Yung dataset na nakuha ko is count of residents in Singapore. It was recorded every start of the month. Ayan. So, una, mag-import muna tayo ng pandas. Then, use pd function. Ayan. Ang una natin gagawin is i-read natin yung ating file, yung ating pinakita dito, yung population. So, then, df, pop, then pd, since pandas yung ginamit natin, read csv. Oops. Then, quotation. Yung name ng ating file, which is the populations.csv. And then, print. Print itong ating df underscore pop dot. Kung gusto nating lahat yung laman ng data natin is mapakita dito sa ating program, we can use to underscore string and then parenthesis. Check natin para hindi agad mag-error. So, tama naman. Then, run natin. Shift, enter. So, ayan. Nakita na natin yung ating laman ng dataset. And then next, we are going to change yung ating index. Itong index from 0, wala tayong mouse 0 to 75, if I'm not mistaken. Yan, 75. Papalitan natin siya ng date. So, ang una natin ilalagay is df underscore pop date. Date equals pd dot date time index df pop date string. Yan, then enter. Next, df pop dot set underscore index or small letter, and then nating date. Oops. Comma. And then in place natin true. Yan. Enter. Then df ulit index, the frequency ba yun? ms. Pindot. So, print df pop to string function. Check ulit natin. Then, shift enter. So, ayan. Napalitan yung ating index from 0 to 75 ng date. So, ayan. Nakikita nyo naman. Naging date na yung ating index from 0 to 75. So, next naman is gagawa natin ng plot itong ating dataset. Mag-import muna tayo ng matplotlib pyplot. Tapos, as natin, plt function, enter. So, yun yung gagamitin natin para makagawa tayo ng plot. So, df pop square brackets quotation then dwellers. Yeah, here we go. Plot. And then, maglalagay tayo ng size ng ating plot. So, ilalagay natin yung fig size or figure size. For example, 20. 20 yung ating length at 5 naman yung ating height. Next, maglalagay naman tayo ng title sa ating plot. So, title, plt.title, yung kung anong title ang ilalagay natin. So, let's say, Singapore residence. Yan. Then, comma, we can put size ng ating title. Let's say 24. So, pwede siguro tayo maglagay ng color. Try natin. Yung color. For example, ang color natin ay C or cyan. Yan. The next, plt.show. Print natin or run, shift enter. So, wait lang natin. Medyo matagal. Yon. So, kung nakikita nyo, color cyan yung ating itong ating title. So, pwede natin siyang palitan ng, kung gusto nyo, paliitin natin yung length niya. Gawin natin 10. O, yan. Medyo lumiit siya. And then, palitan din natin yung ating height. Ayan. Then, madami tayong ibang pwedeng pagpilian na kulay. For example, magenta. Ayan, Singapore residence. Next naman is mag-i-import tayo ng stats model.tsa.seasonal. Mag-i-import tayo ng seasonal decompose para malaman natin kung trend ba ito or seasonal DT. So, first, mag-import from stats models.tsa seasonal import seasonal decompose. Seasonal decompose. Ayan. Next naman, enter. So, result is equals to seasonal decompose. DF pop. Then dwellers, square bracket, then quotation, dwellers, quit, then model, add, wait, tama, add. So, kulang, tama ba? Maliit, no? Tanggalin natin. Diyan. Then, result, dot plot. Then, shift enter. So, lalabas dyan kung trend ba ito or seasonal yung ating data set. So, kung makikita nyo dito, meron tayong trend, seasonal. Ito yung trend. Ayan. And then, yung ating seasonal at scattered plot. Ayan. So, next naman, mag-i-import tayo ng auto-arima. So, yung auto-arima function from PMD arima library. It is used to automatically find the best combination of the parameters. So, from PMD arima, import auto-arima. Enter. Then auto-arima, OT. Arima, DF, pop. Then square bracket, dwellers. Quotation, dwellers. Comma, seasonal equals true. And then, comma ulit. Month. Yung month natin is 12. Then, wait. Mali ito. Delete. And then, point or dot summary. Yan. So, makukuha natin yung SARIMA results or SARIMAX. Next. Shift enter lang. So, ito, nakuha na natin yung SARIMAX results. Ito, yung ating parameters. So, after natin ma-determine yung ating ARIMA parameters, we can then proceed to actually fit the model. So, first, input na muna natin itong len. Oops, yaman na popcorn. DF pop. Then, minus yung ating month, which is 12. Then, next, or shift enter. Shift enter. So, 64 yung ating nakuha. Gagamitin natin siya sa ating training and validation. So, DF training, DF pop.ilog. And then, 64 yung ating nakuha dito. Ito yung 64. Yan. So, kulang tayo dito ng colon. The next, same goes sa ating validation. So, DF, validation, equals, DF, pop.ilog. Open 64. Ayan. So, shift, enter. Next naman tayo, to fit this ARIMA model, we can use the SARIMAX function for the stats model library. So, from stats models.tsa state space .sarimax. SARIMAX. Import SARIMAX. Yan. Big letter lahat. Next, model. SARIMAX. DF training, training. And then, brackets, quotation, dwellers. Comma, order. 1, 2, or gawin natin 3. 1, 3. Then, comma ulit. Seasonal. Order. Equals to 0. 0, 1, 0, and 12. Yan. Then, results. I-fit na natin yung model natin. So, ilagay natin is model.fit yung function. Yan. Oh. And then, results summary. Results.summary. Kulang pa tayo ng parenthesis. So, shift, enter. So, ayan, lumabas na yung ating SARIMAX parameters. So, ayan, nakikita nyo, ayan, date, time, and sample. Next naman is, i-rename natin yung ating SARIMA prediction. So, start, len, df, training. Enter. End equals to len, df, training. And then, plus len, df, validation. Oops, wrong spelling. Validation minus 1. Enter. Predictions equals results that predict. And then parenthesis, start equals start. Start equals start. End equals end. And then yung ating dynamic. Dynamic equals to false. Then type. Labels. Yan. Dot. Rename. SARIMAX. So, at yung SARIMAX natin. Pwede kaya natin itong i-copy paste. Ito. So, wag natin siya i-copy paste. Gayahin na lang natin. 3130102. So, 0 yata yun. So, copy paste. Copy. sa rename, nangyari. Palitan natin ito ng 0. Yan, and then predictions. So, meron siya dapat quotation. Nalimutan natin yung quotation. Tama na ba? Enter. Predictions. Shift enter. So, ayan, lumabas na yung ating predictions. SARIMAX predictions. Length 64. And the next naman, for I, in range, length, predictions, and then colon. Don't forget the colon para hindi mag-error. Then print F, quotation, predicted, equals curly bracket, predictions, square bracket, and then I, colon, less than, where are you, less than, there you are, 11.10, yan, then, comma, expected, expected equals, curly bracket ulit, then df, validation, saan na tayo? Validation dwellers. So, square bracket ulit. Then, dwellers. And then, square bracket ulit. And then, I. So, quotation dito. Then, shift, enter. So, ito yung ating lumabas. Lumabas dito yung predicted values and then yung ating mga expected values. Ayan, ang haba niya. Next naman, isa-solve natin yung ating MSE or mean squared error. So, ito yung command na ating gagamitin from sklearn .metrics import mean squared error. Enter. MSE or mean squared error equals mean squared error parenthesis df validations or walang s, then square bracket, quotation, dwellers, comma, predictions, yung ating predictions, then enter, then print natin yung ating SARIMAX. Yung nakuha natin kaninang 3, 1, 3. Next. At yung ating 0, 1, 0, and 12. Yan. So, kung nalilito kayo dito, galing yun. Here, ito, SARIMAX 310 x or times 01012. So next is MSE, big letter MSE, error, then colon, curly bracket, MSE equals to 11.10. Ayan. Shift enter. So, ayan yung nakuha nating MSE or mean squared error. Ito, 3.51428465 and so on. Then next naman is import math para makuha natin yung squared ng ating MSE. So, import math, enter. Math that square root of MSE. Then shift enter. So ang ating square root ng MSE ay ito. The next naman, titignan natin kung magkalapit yung ating dwellers, yung line ng dwellers sa ating SARIMA or SARIMAX or SARIMA nga. So, title equals yung ating residence in Singapore. Residence in Singapore. Y label equals ayan, empty. Then X label equals, and then enter. Yan, para mas kita, AX equals DF validation. Tama ba? Yan, mali. Validations, dweller, walang S, so square bracket, dwellers. Dot plot, legend equals to true. And then figure size, yung size ng ating plot or graph, or for example 12 yung ating length at 6 yung ating height. Next naman ang title. So title equals title. And enter. Predictions dot plot, small letter lang yung plot, and then legend equals true, then enter. Then AX and that auto scale axis equals X, comma, type equals true. Then enter ulit, then AX ulit, that set naman auto scale at sex, so X label equals X label, then comma, Y label equals Y label. So check natin para hindi mag-error agad. So title residence DF flat legend. So shift enter. So So, ayan. Atong blue is yung ating dwellers. And then, yung orange, yung ating SARIMAX. Then, sunod naman, model equals SARIMAX. DF, pop, then square brackets, dwellers, next naman, tama ba? Comma, order, yung order natin dun sa SARIMAX, which is 3, tama ba? 1 yata yun. 3 nga. 3, 1, at 3. Comma ulit. Then, seasonal order equals yung 1, 0, 1, then 0, 0, and then 12. Yan. So, results equals model fit. Next naman is forecast or FCast equals the results that predictions or predict lang, then len df underscore pop, then comma, ito natin siya lagyan ng comma, then len df underscore and pop, yan, plus 11, and then comma, ating type equals levels that rename, enter fcast, baliktad, then shift enter para makuha natin yung ating forecasted value. So, ayan na yung ating forecasted value. Ang gagawin na natin ay magkikreate tayo ng sariling file ng ating forecasted value. So, ang command na ilalagay natin is fcast.to underscore CSV. And then, parentheses, forecasted. For example, ang i-rename natin yung ating file ng forecasted value .csv. So, shift enter. So, titignan natin sa documents yung ating forecasted values. So, ayun. Then, open natin. So, ito na yung ating forecasted value. And that's all for this video. Thank you for watching.